Buying a domain can be confusing. What is a registrar? What is domain protection? And how do I connect it to my website? Today, we're gonna go from searching for a domain to owning it in just a few minutes. I'm gonna walk you through every step that you need to know. And as someone who spent over a decade building websites for hundreds of clients, I'll show you exactly what to pay attention to. From choosing the right domain name, what a registrar actually is, what everything really costs, and what to do after you buy your domain. And that way, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to lock in your domain today. Let's get into it. And really quick before we dive in, I have partnered with Wix on this video to make this easy for you. If you use that first link down below in the description, you can use Wix domains to search for the perfect domain. And if you go with an eligible annual Wix plan, you're gonna get your domain completely for free for your first year. So if you find value in this video as we go along, use that first link to get started today. First, let's cover what you're actually paying for because this trips people up. A domain name is your address on the internet, like mine, davidalex.com. And when you buy a domain, you're not buying it outright like a car. You're registering it, reserving the exclusive right to use that name, usually for 1 to 10 years at a time. So as long as you keep renewing it, it's yours. A domain name has two parts. The name itself, and that could be your brand, your personal name, or something like that, and the extension at the end, like .com, .ai, or .org. That extension is called a top-level domain, or TLD. And the one you choose affects both your price and how professional you look. We'll talk more about that in a moment. And one more thing to be clear on, a domain name is not a website and it's not hosting. To have a website live, you need a domain name, a website, and hosting. It might sound like a lot, but this is what an all-in-one builder like Wix provides. Wix allows you to register your domain, build a beautiful website, and get built-in hosting. And we'll take a look at more of that in this video. Next, let's talk about how to choose the right domain name. Because before you search, you want to make sure you're searching for the right thing. Now, here is my short list of tips after building over 300 websites. For your domain, you're going to want to keep it short and easy to spell. If you have to spell it out loud over the phone, it may be too complicated. Avoid hyphens and numbers. People forget them and they look less legit. And the more you make it brandable and not just descriptive is gonna help. When it comes to your extension, I highly recommend trying to start with the .com. As we all know, that's what people still type on autopilot. But your .com of choice might be taken. So a clear alternative extension can work as well, but double check that the .com isn't a direct competitor. That can be really confusing quick. Now, if you're just starting out on your business, I'd also recommend thinking about the future. For example, a name like Orange County Candles for our domain might be nice if we're just starting locally. But what happens when we start to ship nationwide? Be mindful that you don't lock yourself into a geography that you might outgrow. So the best advice here, go search your brand name to see what comes up and see if that is actually the best way to show up. Because you might be able to buy leathershoes.com, but it may be really hard to rank for that URL because there are a lot of leather shoes that you're gonna have to compete with. Third, before we go on, we should talk about what is a domain registrar. Domains are sold through companies called domain registrars, and Wix Domains handles registration, DNS, privacy protection, security, SSL, and renewals all in one place. And best of all, the DNS management doesn't require a computer science degree. So with Wix, you're gonna get your registrar, hosting, and website builder, not in 3 separate companies with separate problems to manage, but in one login. And that's why I'm showing this on Wix Domains, which lets you search, purchase, and connect a custom domain in a few clicks. It might sound easy, but there is a lot of back-end work to make this flawless, and Wix does a fabulous job. More specifically, when it comes to DNS management, SSL, privacy protection, and domain renewal, those are all handled inside the Wix dashboard. Now the fun part, the live domain name search. We're gonna head to wix.com/domain/names. Or as you see on my screen here, I'm on the home page and I'll go to products and then click on domain names. Or log into your Wix account and click on domains. Or if you just go to the home page, you can click on product and then click domain names. From here, type in the name that you want in the search bar and click search. Now you'll instantly see whether your exact domain is available. And if it's taken, Wix will suggest alternatives. So definitely pay attention to the details of every domain you see on your screen, because as you can see here, our domain is available, but it also provides alternatives with small variations or differences in the extension, possibly even related names. For example, here we have .net and .org, as well as with a dash. And as you can see here, this is a different search and the domain name that I want isn't available, so it's giving me great alternatives. But let's go back to the domain name that we actually want, and it is available. The price is listed right next to each option, so there's no mystery. And I would recommend take your time and search a few variations. This name is going on everything. Once you find a domain you love, you can begin the purchasing process. In this case, the .com is available and I'm gonna make it mine. From there, it'll ask you to log in. Now, it's gonna take you to the screen that says start building your online presence with your specific domain. And you have two options here. On the left, you can get the domain for free with a site plan, or on the right, you could buy the domain on its own. For this option on the left, when you purchase an eligible annual Wix premium plan, you get a domain voucher, a free custom domain for your first year, for 1 full year. And as you can see in our case with this .com, this would cover our domain. On the flip side, if you just buy the domain, you can see the pricing here. You can register it for 1, 2, 3, 5, or 10 years. Now, going back to our two options, I'm actually gonna select the option on the left. Especially if you haven't launched your site yet, you could do all of this inside Wix, as we've discussed, the website, the hosting, and the domain, with the first year of your domain for free. So let's do it with the free site plan now, and I'll hit continue. Now, you could see all the plans. Most businesses can get started on either the core plan or the business plan. And as you can see, when you pay annually, you're gonna get the domain for free for the first year, plus everything you need for your website. Let's select the business plan, which is discounted to $19.50 a month for the first year, and I'll hit select. Next, it's gonna give you the option for how often you want to do billing, whether it's monthly, yearly, 2 years, or 3 years. And as you can see, and every increment decreases the price. In my opinion, as someone who's helped lots of people launch their first company, don't overthink it and start where it makes sense. In our case, we're gonna select the 2 years, which takes our price down to $17.50 per month for 24 months. And that means we save $264 with our first year of the domain already paid for. And one quick note to flag as we go through this checkout process. Make sure privacy registration is selected so your personal contact details stay out of the public whois records. This is public information of who owns what domain that anyone can search. From there, I'll add in my card details and my info, purchase everything, and that's it. Now, I own the domain and I could start building my site, and once it's built, I could go live with nothing in the way. Everything is set to go. Plus, I don't need to worry about configuring or connecting different accounts to connect my domain and get my website live. Now, what do you do after you buy your domain? So, your domain's registered. Congrats. Just don't close the tab yet. 3 quick things. First, you want to connect it. In your Wix dashboard, your domain, site, and billing live in the same place. So, pointing your domain to your website takes a few clicks. Second, turn on auto renewal. The number one way people lose a domain is forgetting to auto renew. and an expired domain can be purchased up by someone else. Third, set up a professional email with your new domain. This is probably one of the first ways to make your business and your domain feel more professional. You can set up a domain like david@yourbusiness.com instead of a generic Gmail. It's the fastest credibility upgrade there is. Now, one last note. What if your domain name that you love is already taken? 3 options, and I would do them in this order. First, take the suggested alternatives seriously. A different extension or a small variation often ends up stronger for branding than the original. Second, adjust the name itself. Some of the strongest brands online are made up of modified words precisely because the obvious name was taken. And third, if the domain is parked and for sale, you can sometimes buy it on the aftermarket. But expect premium pricing, and for most small businesses, that money is probably better spent on the business itself. Now, what I wouldn't do is settle for the hyphenated or a misspelled version of a taken name. Do a bit of homework and research to find the best domain name for your use case. And just like that, that's how you buy a domain. Pick a short, brandable name, check the renewal price before you buy, protect your info with privacy registration, and keep it all in one dashboard. If you're ready to get started today, don't forget to use that first link down below in the description to search for your domain name on Wix. And remember, if you go for the annual plan, that first year is free. Hey, if you got value from today's video and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.